Bike-bike na naman po tayo. Punta na po kami sa
Dagat.
yeah, sa dagat. Palaruin ko to doon sa dagat. Medyo mainit man ang ang araw. Yun lang kaya ang hangin ba malamig. Pero ang tubig, sure po ako, malamig talaga yung tubig nila dito.
Mexican is here, right?
Yeah, the Mexican is here. Ito ano po to hotel. Dito din kami mag-dinner mamaya. Sa Mexican Steakhouse. Dito. Nakapagpa-reserve na po kami kahapon. Ang daming nagbabike oh. Tingnan nyo, may mga edad na. Yan ang mga nagbabakasyon dito. No, not really. May pastor po sila dyan. Daan na naman tayo dito sa kabundukan. Baka marong turn tayo dito guys. Mas maganda to dito kapag yung summer na po talaga. Kasi ang tawag nila dito, downan. Tapos yung mga, yan o yung mga ganun na plant, nagiging ano po siya, nagiging purple po siya pag summer. Pero ngayon hindi pa, green pa rin po. How do you call that plant, mahal? Haida. Hindi pa rin siya nag-change color.
Do you know that when we were at the other hotel,
Yeah?
we went with the bike to the back, remember?
Yeah?
There's a sand path there, stuff like that. Maybe we can cycle there tomorrow because it's nice.
Yeah.
The forest there.
Yeah. Wait, yeah. Let's do that. Yeah, and then we go to the restaurant. May pa-restaurant po sila ba sa gitna talaga ng forest. Two, three, go. See? Ayan, mga pa-vacation house po yan nila dito. Oh. Ganda naman kung meron kang ganyan, no? Mahal talaga pag sa island.
Yes.
What?
Mahal Island.
Yeah, Mahal Island. Mahal po talaga yan dito, no? Mas mahal pa siguro sa bahay namin, yung mga maliliit na bahay na yan. Kawawa naman ng mister ko, guys. Paakyat po kami, oh.
It's taking lots of battery.
Yeah, I told you I should go down and just...
There's only a small part. Then it's done. So,
mabigat kasi
stop here.
dala din po namin ang stroller. Mas ainit dito sa dagat, guys. Wala, manatan. Even bakto na pa manatan.
we need to put stuff on him, huh?
Yeah. Iba din po to sa dagat na napuntahan natin kahapon. Tinan niyo, iba din yung pa-restaurant nila dito. Mas maganda. May pa-playground pa sila. May mga tumatambay po dyan. Yeah!
Het strand.
Ganda ng kanilang paano dito. Oh. Restaurant. Buti pa dito kami nag-lunch. Yeah, it's fine. We can just take off his pants. Wow! Clive, Nathan. Tingnan mo, may slide sila. Wala siyang pakialam sa slide ngayon.
What I will do?
What?
I will drink a whole bottle of iced tea. You know why?
Why?
And this is not so heavy.
Nathan! Evan Baktan! Skunan out! Tanggalin mo ang shoes mo. Kutso! Yan po ang kanilang pa-restaurant. Kadaming mga nag-lunch na. Skunan out! May pa duyan din po sila dyan. Uy! Nathan! Punta tayo sa dagat. Halika na. Kita niyo naman, may mga tumatambay po dyan. Ito din. Kalayo na dagat. 2. Water and iced tea.
One water, one iced tea?
Yeah.
Huh? It's very heavy.
Tingnan niyo ang kanilang super pino. Murag correct ko ang isa. Correct. Nathan, correct.
Kuripot?
Kuripot. Yeah, you are.
What's that?
Huh?
What is that?
Sound, no?
Then we wouldn't be eating out so much today, huh? Then I would have gone to the supermarket and get some krentable. Some bread with racing.
Yeah. Pagdating mo sa dagat, ayaw mo nang lumangoy. Sa kalayo, pagod ka na. Nathan! Yeah, dagat! Basta na dagat, dali na! What is that? Dagat! Sabihin mo, Evan, bakit ang dagat?
I want to take something
What?
from here.
I'll do it, be. Give it to me. Grabe, walking to the sea is 30 minutes.
You don't have to go to the sea.
No, so Nathan can feel the sea of the Netherlands, mahal. Saan ka eh?
My papa blijven. Nee, dan gaan we even aan.
Dagat, color brown. Why is with the foam, mahal? Egg whites? Egg whites? It's egg whites.
Hey,
That's fine, mahal.
you be with him.
Yeah.
I will.
They say out?
do some.
Yeah.
Nayor?
Is it out?
Come on, lopan. Nay, knit out. Nee, hoeft niet. Agoy, magtanggal ng diaper. Nee, Nathan.
Wij voorbij in de buurt.
Nee, deze niet out, okay? Ja, deze aan, okay? Is goed. Jij, ga maar naar de dagat. Gusto niya
If you
ta.
don't film is the boat, it's fine.
Ha? Yeah, I'm not filming him. I'm not filming him.
Oké. Nou, wil je in je blote erop lopen?
Okay na, solved na si Nathan, guys. Nakaligo na po siya, pero nag-away muna kaming tatlo bago siya umalis sa dagat. Ayaw niyang, ayaw niya pang tumigil sana. Kay kalamig ng tubig. Uy, was the water cold, mahal?
Yeah.
Enjoy yung taon ang mister ko, guys. Enjoying your life there, mahal? Ang Nathan, excited na masyado mag-slide-slide. Oh! Ayun na. Oo. Dali na, upo. Sus na lang, maghawak-hawak pa dyan. May mga bago na naman pong dating. Diretso na sila ng restaurant. Diyan atayan sila mag-lunch eh. Pasok tayo dyan sa pa-restaurant nila. Ay, mag-inom-inom daw tayo kay uhaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopsa. Yan siya, iyakin siya ng iyak kanina kay pagod na din yan. 2:00 pa, wala pang tulog. Hindi na namin patulugin to. Dire-diretso na yan siya, bahala mag tantrum siya dyan. Baka makatulog din po yan sa bike. Painit sila oh. Pasok po tayo sa loob kay sobrang init ng araw, guys. Kukya. Oh, lekker. Inom po tayo ng iced tea and beer for Daniel.
Cheers, my love.
Happy birthday. Yummy. Look at that, everyone. Mga feeling mayaman po tayo dito sa island na ito. Pag uwi, wala na pera. No more money when we are home.
Oh, this mic, this one here, this mic.
Be sweet to me ba? So they can see that you're sweet to me.
Yeah, sweet to you.
Sige, more. Kiss me, babe. Lips to lips.
Lips to lips? Oh, okay.
Turid. Turid, kiss turid. Turid ba? Boom, panis. Boom, boom, panis, panis. Knockout, guys. Pagod na masyado siya. Grabe. Grabe na iyak-iyak niya ba. Ginawildan niya na kami ni Daniel. He's just super tired, my love. Are we going inside? Ay, okay, bibili. Yeah. Wala na kaming diaper. Bumalik po kami dito sa Midland. And si Daniel, yung sa pa-chocolate nga dito tayo kaninang umaga. Parang bilhin niya na yung teacup ngayon. Sabi ko sa kanya, bukas na lang. Ay, yung teacup, yung teapot. Sabi ko, bukas na lang. Kaya karami na po naming dala. Ngayon na ata niya bilhin. Mag-tea lang po si Daniel. Hanggang sa maghintay tayo ng mag-dinner na po kami, no? Kasi mga ano na lang, 2 oras. Dinner na po namin. Tapos malapit po yun dito. Yung mga tea nila, oh. My love, are you buying the teapot today? Are you buying it today?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what you want.
This is what I keep thinking about, but it's smaller than the other one.
Yeah, it's nice, but if you like it, yeah.
Because else I get the gray one, then you have the really big one. But this is maybe enough if you have the small cups.
Yeah, but if it's just not you, maybe me, or you have a visitor, then you go for a big one.
Or you get 2.
Huh?
Or you make one tea, and then you make
Another tea. Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, this one is also nice. That's blue? Dark
This is a
blue?
big one, yeah.
Dark blue?
Dark blue, grayish.
Yeah.
If I get this one, I will get matching cups. Also expensive, but
How much is this?
they're both the same price.
Mm.
But then this one no cups, this one with cups.
How much?
It's like 50 something.
And then with cups.
There's another 20 or 30.
This one then, if you have the cups. It's your birthday, right? You have a lot of money from your birthday gift.
I'm just hoping which one is nice.
This was nice.
This one is nice too, right?
Yeah. Adik sa tea. Tingnan niyo yung order niya, oh. Tea. Tingnan niyo itong mister ko. Nilagay niya dito. Ay, tingnan niya ba hanggang sa mag-alis kami makapili po siya. Kayo guys, saan ang gusto niyo dyan? Mas malaki kasi ito. Mas maraming malagay. Pero yun ang gusto niya talaga. Kaya maganda daw.
I want to know now exactly how much. That one is 1 liter 25. I want to know how big the other one is.
Hindi matahimik ang mister ko guys. So these are the cups. And this one is 30 euros for both of them?
Those 2 of them is
Yeah.
18 something.
This is nice together, yeah, because it's...
That's nice together. And this, not so nice together, right?
This is nice together. Wala.
Hey.
Hindi bitaw. Mahal, this one is good together. It's fine. Yeah, see, just buy that. Ito kasi talaga ang pinag-iinitan niya kahit maliit. Gusto niya ang design ba? That one na mahal, so you will not, you know, you will be happy and not later, not be like, I should have bought the other one. This one na.
But this is a very nice look.
Yeah, nice looking together.
If
Yeah.
I get this, can we just put it somewhere where it's visible?
Where then?
I don't know.
When we have the cabinet that we want there, with all the glasses.
You wanted the cabinet?
Yeah.
You said no.
Yes, we will buy the cabinet when we have money. Like 10 years after.
This is very nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Can even get it with 4 cups, but I think 2 is enough.
like this. Beautiful, mahal. Tingnan nyo kasi siya, oh. This one is nice, my love. Ay, sa tulog pa din. Bumili ako ng cup noodles para mamaya ba kung gutumin po tayo sa sa hotel. Kaya maaga ba kami kakain ngayon, alas 5. Ready na ang mga bilhin niya, oh. 3 tea. How much all of that, my love?
112.
Happy birthday, eh.
Thank you. That's my gift from Oma.
Yeah, happy birthday. That's what I'm saying. Because you got a lot of money, ah. Sana all. I wish it's my birthday too. Ayan, oh, 3 tea, yung teacup. And what's the other one? The plate?
Yeah.
And for under the teapot?
That's 8 euros. That one.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos kasi hinahanap na naman siya na ano. Iniinitan niya talaga yun. Uy, that one naman good, mahal. Just get it, mahal, because you really like that. Yeah, like that together is nice. Together, mahal. Yeah, that's nice together. Just get that teapot. Hindi pa rin siya tapos, guys. Nandun na lahat ng kailangan naming bilhin, oh.
But I like those cups.
Yeah, the cups are nice. That cups.
But that cup really fits with that one.
Yeah. Ay, nala ang mister ko. Maganda din to, oh. Diba? Maganda din po siya together. And this one, what is this?
These are the blue ones.
Mm.
The same ones as
Sige.
What is nicer?
Together with that. This one.
The white one?
If you want that, then the white
or the
one.
blue ones? Yeah, the white ones, right? Because
Yeah.
the blue they have a different
Yeah.
color, like that.
Yeah, like
That's
that.
okay, okay. Wait.
Wait daw. Another one pa daw. Sure na siya, guys. Ito na daw talaga. Kaya he will feel sorry daw kung hindi niya talaga kunin yung gusto niya. Ay, balik niya na naman, oh. Magbago na naman isip niya mamaya.
Yeah, we're trying, right?
And then, may nakita na siyang bagong plate, oh. Iba na namang plate. Oh, that is moy.
Like
And
that.
then you put a candle there.
You can put a candle there if you want.
Ito kasi yung bilhin niya sana na, ano, na plate.
Or just that small one.
What do you like more?
And I think the small one is better.
So you're buying the other one because it's a nice set. I like the other one more, mahal, because it's a nice set.
It's a nice set.
Yun na yun, blue na talaga. Kunin niya na naman.
It's not helping.
Hindi siya makapag-decide, guys, na ano naman ito, mister. Nainis na yung mga babae sa kanya ba? Yan na naman ang kunin natin, guys. Oh. Maganda naman talaga yan. Maganda talaga siya. Tingnan niyo yung kulay, oh. The big plate.
Big one here. With this one, I think a big one is nice.
Yan.
Or a small one.
Pwede kasi siyang lagyan ng ano dyan para pang painit ba? Kandila. What do you like more? Small one?
Small one is nice too.
Yeah, small one is for me nicer. This one is so OA, I think.
Yeah, then we'll do the small one.
Yeah. Nakadalawang tea din po kami dito. Gisingin ko na to si Nathan, 4:30 na. Okay, punta na tayo doon sa Mexican restaurant para mag-dinner. Si Nathan gising na po. Yeah, gising ng bebe. Good mood na siya. Nandito na po tayo sa Mexican restaurant. What are you getting tonight? I think steak for me. I want the starter, ha? The sardine starter, mahal. Dahil sa Nathan, kay. May kids menu din po sila. May fricandel, chicken nuggets, spare rib, ano pa ba? Grilled chicken, burger, and ano daw, chicken and cheese. Ewan, ano yan. Wow! Hot pa, opo. Hot pa.
Especially for you, rice.
Look.
Right.
Wil je ook een beetje mayonaise erbij?
En veel ketchup.
Ketchup, ja. Ja, goed smaken.
Ay, that's enough naman. I don't want it a lot. Estofado kay Daniel. Akin, steak with chimichurri.
Mama?
Ice? Bilhan ako ice?
Yeah.
Gusto niyo yung ice sa iced tea? No more na. Stacks beer, okay? Kain na muna tayo.
I is here.
Ice is back, yeah. Yeah, I want to try yours too. Just a little. No. Also nice. Very tender. Ang isa dito nag-enjoy din.
Nice.
Mayroon siyang hummus, mga prutas, nuggets.
The juice that did so quick, you know?
Ha?
The juice that did so quick.
Yeah.
Here it
Yeah, because there's not a lot of people here. Pero ang akin talaga, oh, kasarap tingnan, guys. Oh.
Because you
Well
used
done.
to Los Toros where you order and then 2 hours later you get your first dish.
Yeah,
Or is it El Toro?
El Toro.
Yeah, Daddy.
Sing ka na ng sinay nabe.
Baby.
Nathan kay. Nathan kay. Your son knows what he does not like and what he likes. Pag nakikita niya kung i-vlog siya na kumakanta siya, ayaw niya. Stop daw, stop.
Raspberry white
Wow.
chocolate panna cotta.
Ha? Raspberry.
White chocolate panna cotta.
Dessert ni Daniel. Ako, ang dessert ko wala. Tamang laway lang guys. Ang anak ko, meron siyang ice cream.